In this video, papakita namin ang pinaka-viral shots ni Efren Bata Reyes sa mga tirang akala mo imposible pero paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa. At sa number 1 shot, siguradong magugulat kayo, kaya stick around. Simulan natin sa number 10. Kung may isang tira na magpapakita kung gaano kataas ang IQ ni Efren Bata Reyes sa mesa, ito na yun. Panoorin niyo kung paano niya binasa ang buong table sa isang tira lang.
Basically, he shot both those shots a little too quick.
What? Look at this shot. Look at that shot.
Wow.
Look at that. That was that position play as the cue ball came down table. That's the shot that Rafael was trying to execute, shooting directly at the foul.
Sa shot naman na ito, makikita natin kung gaano katalas ang mata ni Efren. Isang mala-imposibleng bank shot na parang normal lang para sa The Magician.
Who hits him better than that, my friends? Efren Reyes.
Panoorin natin kung paano napahanga ni Efren ang kanyang kalaban sa mala-circus shot na ito.
Đây rồi, một cú Vâng, huyền thoại có nói là may mắn thì chúng ta vẫn khen là thầy hay đi.
Dito makikita kung bakit napakahirap bigyan ng safety si Efren. Sobrang lawak ng kalaman niya sa mesa, kaya kahit gaano pa kahirap ang ibigay mong tira, hindi ka pa rin nakakasigurado.
Still a risky putt to take on. What does he do? The slow safety.
Well, I always say that, Steve, in this game, the great players are the guys that go out and win the match. You don't win a match by playing safe, but surely here, Hill, caution has got to be the number one.
Just going past the 6, but it's so risky.
With no safety net, why would you take that risk?
Well, there may be a slight element of safety. Oh, that's a great shot. That is a great shot. What a shot! What a shot!
Sa clip na ito na umani ng milyong-milyong views, mapapatunayan mo na hindi mo pwedeng i-trash talk ang The Magician dahil sa huli, siya pa rin ang may huling halakhak. Ito naman ang famous na where shot ni Efren at kasunod nito ang nakakabinging sigawan ng mga hindi makapaniwalang audience.
Ito na, ang inaasa. Ito na, hiyawan po mga tao. Mukhang magmamagic po ang ating champ Efren. Tingnan natin. Kaya na. Grabe. Grabe ka! Grabe ka, idol! What a shot, man! Ay, ay, ay! Grabe, yawa ko mga tao rito.
Sa clip na ito, makikita natin kung paano mag-adjust si Efren kahit hindi perfecto yung cue ball position. Pure touch, pure instinct by the magician.
He pockets the 5 ball but makes contact with the 8 ball. He's still able to pocket a long shot on the 6 with the cue ball close to the rail, but he overruns position on the 7, making it difficult to pocket the 8 ball. The magician thinks of what magic he can come up with, so he points his cue, and it seems like he's going to position for a bank shot. What a shot by Efren, perfect position for a bank shot on the 8. He banks the 8 and gets a nice position on the 9. What a run out by the magician, and the crowd loves it. And
Isa sa mga trademark ng The Magician ang kanyang Massey shot. Sobrang iconic at naging commercial pa nga ito para sa San Miguel Beer.
the Massey shot is one of Efren Bata Reyes' signature shot. It's so good that it was made as part of a commercial advertisement by San Miguel Beer in the Philippines.
Maybe we'll see the patented Efren Massey here. I know how he likes to play this type of shot. This will be easy.
Okay, let's take a real good look at this. Let's take a real good look at it. All right, I love it. I really love it. I mean, this man is a magician. He certainly has lived up to his name.
Well, I would have made that Massey even money for Efren, by the by.
Just another legendary moment for the magician, Efren Bata Reyes.
Dito naman, isang kilalang content creator ang nag-alok ng malaking premyo kung may papasok ni Efren ang napakahirap na shot na ito. Tignan natin kung anong nangyari.
Oh, babay ka na.
At sa number 1, sa sobrang galing ng The Magician, hindi na nakapag-react ang crowd at natulala na lang ang kanyang kalaban. Let's watch this clip. So that's our top 10 most viral Efren Bata Reyes clips. Don't forget to subscribe for more of The Magician.